Hey guys, in today's video we're going to show you our curly hair routine.
We're going to go step by step and show you how we achieve our curly hair look.
First we wet our hair, then we come in with the olive oil leave-in conditioner that looks like this.
And after we apply that leave-in conditioner, we go ahead and apply the curling gel souffle, which is this one. And I like to go ahead and use a diffuser to dry my hair.
And I air dry. So we're going to show you steps and take you through how we do it.
So our hair is nice and wet now. And we're going to walk you through our routine.
So first we're going to comb our hair. Obviously.
Alright, so I think that's good enough.
Okay. So now we're going to use our olive oil leave-in conditioner. It smells delish. That smells good. Okay.
And I like to just start off with sections. So usually I start on my left side. And I grab this much for one section.
This much for me. Just put it right here. So right now all we're doing is making sure that we have the product all over our hair so we don't have any dry spots when it does we blow dry it, or when she blow dries and I air dry. And I like to just make sure that I don't have any frizz in my hair. We're going to do the same for this side. Just making sure that there's no dry areas.
And I always have a dry spot right back here. So I try to focus a little bit more in this area.
Okay.
So,
Okay. So now we're done with the leave-in conditioner. We're gonna go in with the curling gel souffle. Technical difficulties.
yeah, just scoop a little bit. You can't really see this one because it's clear.
It's it smells really good actually.
So we're pretty much doing the same thing all over again, like we did with the leave-in conditioner.
Okay. So same thing, just make sure that you don't have any dry areas in your hair. I like to put the stuff that I have, the excess curling souffle on the back here. Just make sure my ends come out like I want them to. Same thing with this side. Oh, she's done.
I'm patiently waiting.
Alright. So yeah.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair.
And I'm just gonna leave it to air dry.
Hey guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair using this. It's gonna be a little bit loud, so here we go. Okay, so we're back, and this is our finished look.
This is about 90% dry for us, and this is how our hair looks.
And this is mine.
Let us know what you guys think.
Hit the like button.
Leave a comment down below, and don't forget to
To
subscribe.
subscribe.